living life every day.
So let's look at today in the bigger picture. What has happened so far, and where we are in things. Let me look at the daily time frame. So looking at this on the daily time frame, looking at the pound USD on the daily time frame, this is how it looks like. Okay, let me go to a more fanciful chart for because of the newbies, something that it will be easier for them to just get what's going on. Now, if you're new here and you have some questions, what you can do is that you can write your questions. Even if you are an old person, you can write your questions in the chat box. Just write it there. I'll see it and I'll respond to it. So on the daily time frame on pound USD, this is what we have forming at the moment. We have had 3 days of sell. So usually when I see that on a daily time frame, that's already like a trend. You get 3 days in the same direction. That's like a trend for me. So for those trading Forex, how do you take advantage of that? You go to the smaller time frame, which is the H4. Then you try to look for the closest resistance. That now becomes, in this case now, that now becomes like your stop loss. Then you sell on it. What I mean is this. Yes, on daily time frame, we have a trend like this now. 3 days of sell. So that's a trend for us. So you move to the 4-hour time frame. You want to look at your entry now. Where do I enter? Where is my stop loss going to be? In this case right now, the 4 hours, there's a kind of pattern. Up, down, up, down, up, down. You get and down again. So this is, in quotes, can be looked at like a pullback. So in this particular case, where will your stop loss be? Your stop loss will be in this zone. In this zone right here. Let me use the settings to make it large. So that zone there is like a stop loss. That's where you use like a stop loss. Then where is your take profit going to be? This zone here, just below it. So right now in this particular case, what we have here is a trade opportunity of your stop loss is about seriously 25 pips, and your take profit is about 38 pips. So it's still a good one. So stop loss like 25 pips, take profit like 40 pips. It's more than 1 to 1. So it's a trade you can take even now as we speak. It's a trade you can take using that as stop loss, using that as take profit, depending on the risk. This is for Forex trader, those that trade Forex. It's a trade you can take right now. That's an opportunity that I believe all the metrics are okay for one to take that.